Even if there are many sides to the election, we are always one campus.
Our matriculation pledge reminds us from our first day on campus, we are all Scots.
We, the students of Monmouth College, make the following pledge. We will accept responsibility for our lives while here at Monmouth College.
We will endeavor daily to choose the course of action that ensures our own growth and well-being and that of our fellow students.
We will act with honesty and integrity in all that we do.
We will share openly our own values, thoughts, and beliefs, just as we will listen thoughtfully and with an open mind to the values, thoughts, and beliefs of others.
We will explore together our similarities and our differences, and through that exploration, seek to become more fully ourselves and more fully members of a genuine community of learners.
We will treat with respect and civility our fellow students and the faculty and staff members who have committed themselves to our learning and development.
And finally, we will honor the history, traditions, rules, and regulations of the college so that we might further her mission, enhance her reputation, celebrate her good name, and continue the legacy of those who have come before us.